Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 7 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 14 stitches, multiple of 7, 2 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 2 extra stitches 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row, you can knit anybody you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2. Yarn in back. Now 4 times knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1. That's our repeat. Purl 2, 4 times knit 1, yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? One more time. Yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, 4 times knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 9. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? One more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3 together from front loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Now knit 3 together from back loop. That's our repeat. Purl 2, knit 3 together from front loop, knit 3, knit 3 together from back loop. Again here we have 7 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 7. This is our 7 stitches pattern. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? One more time. Yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 3 together from front loop, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Now knit 3 together from back loop. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side, knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our repeat. Knit 2, purl 5. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 3 stitches, knit 2, 1, 2, purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2. Yarn in back. Now 4 times knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1. That's our repeat. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches has? One more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, 4 times knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1. Last 3 stitches, purl 2, 1, 2, knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of and if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.